Take 2 slices of milk bread. Take the 2 slices of milk bread and cut them into perfect square pieces. And there are your small pieces of milk bread. Now drop the bread pieces into a pan and toast it in low flame. Toast the bread pieces until it's golden brown. Transfer the bread pieces into a separate plate. In the same hot pan, add 3 tablespoons of sugar. As soon as the sugar caramelizes, add around 20 grams of butter. As soon as the butter melts, add 3 tablespoons of milk. And stir it well until you get a creamy consistency. Now add the crunchy breadcrumbs into the pan and stir it gently. And here comes your delicious bread popcorn. And enjoy with the movie. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now. And don't forget to like and share.